Alright, so for the beautiful lady here, let's do this. Give me a frown, like a little bit. Okay, so you can see the muscle, relax. And then I go just into the belly. Gonna do this 16 units. So 4, and oh yeah. And we're gonna give you a little break after this. Okay, this is good. So we finished the 11 lines. So in the 11 lines, we have a muscle in the middle, and then we have another muscle goes like this, another muscle, the corrugator procerus. So we follow the muscles. That's where we inject the medication. And then the forehead, lift your eyebrows up. Okay, so you get to see the lines. Most of them are actually in the middle, so and high. So that's a good thing. Very easy to treat. When we have the lines very close to the eyebrow on the side, that's kind of tricky because if we inject there, it kind of pushes the eyebrows down. So hairs are kind of in easy areas to treat. Do 2 units at a time in this area. So this is 6, 8, and what I'll do, another 2 here, 10, 12, and then little one here, 13 and 14. Okay.